A vessel with plant remains in a layer of mud. What is such a vessel and evidence of? Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, pottery making according to the fire pit theory. The second paragraph refers to the fire pit theory, but in this theory, there is no suggestion regarding plant remains and the layer of mud. So it cannot be established that this vessel is an evidence of fire pit theory. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, pottery making according to the basket theory. The second paragraph refers to the basket theory, and it says that in basket theory, the baskets were made up of grasses, reeds, roots, or tree branches, and the bottoms of these baskets had coatings of clay. So these two aspects relate to plant remains smeared in the layer of mud. So it can be inferred that this particular vessel could be an evidence of the basket theory. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C, cooking theory. The second paragraph refers to the cooking theory, but in this theory, there is no reference to any plant remains. This theory simply relates to wrapping foods in a skin of clay. There is no reference to plants. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, animal husbandry. The first paragraph mentions that the history of pottery goes back to the time when nomadic hunter was involved in animal husbandry. The passage doesn't indicate any theory of pottery making according to animal husbandry. Also, there is no connection between animal husbandry and plant remains and the layer of mud. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, crop farming. Again, crop farming simply indicates the time when the history of pottery begins. The passage makes no connection between crop farming and plant remains and a layer of mud. So this answer choice can be eliminated as well. B is the correct answer.